Hi class, my name is Teacher Monica. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my class. How's everybody doing today? I'm very excited that you guys are here. So, today we're going to be learning about creative writing. Today's agenda, we're going to learn what creative writing is, review different types of creative writing, choose what to write about, brainstorm and jot down ideas, work on formatting sentences based off your chosen theme. Class objective and rules. So the expectation of class will be we'll get creative juices flowing and practice, write with persuasive and descriptive details like there was a flower and it was yellow and green and blue. I want to remind us that it's very nice to be kind to everybody and to try to support everybody's ideas because every student's idea matters. What is creative writing? Creative writing is writing meant to bring out emotion in a reader. The theme is the central meaning the writing communicates. Components of creative writing: connecting or at least attempting to connect with the reader's emotions. Write from a specific point of view, organizing the text around a narrative structure. A narrative structure can be complex or simple and serves to shape how the reader interacts with the content, using your imagination or descriptive language. So the types of creative writing come in many forms. Most common are novels, short stories, poetry, plays, and TV scripts. Brainstorm. Here are some of the topics that you guys can write about. So you guys can write about your family, what you like, what you don't like, your pets, your dogs, your cats, your rabbits, whatever kind of pet you have. An outdoor activity, if you like to go swimming, you like to go to the park. Your favorite place or favorite fruit like bananas, apples, raspberries. Your favorite holiday or festival. Your hobbies or interests. You like to dance, sing, roller skates, or competition. So when you're brainstorming, you're asking questions like who, what, why, where, and when, and how. Putting ideas onto paper. Every writing begins by introducing a story in a way that pulls in the reader and keeps them reading. The first sentence of a story should really grab the interest of a reader. A statement that introduces the subject of the writing. For example, there's a big, scary, skinny monster very tall. Corrections. While revising your draft, be sure to use full sentences with both a subject, a verb. Look for spelling and grammar mistakes. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining my class today. And do you have any questions? I will be more than happy to help. I can give you an example. So, one morning I woke up and I was scared because I thought my dog jumped into a swimming pool, and then I realized it was a dream. And then I woke up and my dog was sitting right next to me the whole time. And the good thing was I had still 5 hours of sleep left before I had to get up for school. That's an example. Have a good one. Thank you for joining my class today. Hope to see you soon.